We'll guide you through how to use Vercel templates to kickstart your next web project. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website by opening your browser and typing vercel.com. Once you're there, log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Vercel dashboard. Now, look for the Templates tab at the top of the page and click on it. Here, you'll see a variety of pre-built templates that you can use to start your project quickly. Browse through the options and click on a template that suits your needs. Once you find one, click the Deploy button. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your project settings. Here you can rename your project and select your preferred Git provider, like GitHub or GitLab. Connect your account if you haven't done so yet, and choose the branch you want to deploy from. After configuring your settings, click Deploy again. Vercel will now start the deployment process, which usually takes just a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll receive a live link to your new project, which you can share or further develop. Using templates can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working on a tight schedule. Don't forget to check out the documentation for any specific instructions related to the template you're using. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.